Welcome back. Repair needed in HT113 driver. Repair failed. Repair needed in HT113 driver. This is no time to practice your deflecting skills. Please stay focused. Repair failed. Repair completed. Excessive impact can cause damage to core's internals. Tooling is prohibited when the core is exposed. Please handle the core with care. Excessive impact can cause damage to core's internals. Running diagnostics. Discrepancies identified. Core timing subroutine. Manually adjust the core's frequency now. Frequency timing failed. Please reattempt. Repair failed. Core timing subroutine. Manually adjust the core's frequency now.